13 Worst Foods for Fat in the Liver. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Number 13. Sugar. Excessive sugar intake isn't just detrimental to your teeth, it can also adversely affect your liver. The organ utilizes fructose, a type of sugar, to produce fat. A surplus of refined sugar and high-fructose corn syrup leads to a fatty buildup that can result in liver disease. Some studies suggest that sugar can be as harmful to the liver as alcohol, even for individuals who are not overweight. Number 12. Too much vitamin A. While your body requires vitamin A, obtaining it from plant sources like fresh fruits and vegetables, particularly those in red, orange, and yellow hues, is advisable. However, excessive doses of vitamin A from supplements can pose a risk to your liver. Before taking any additional vitamin A supplements, it's crucial to consult your doctor to ensure it is necessary. Number 11. Soft drinks. Research indicates that individuals who consume a significant amount of soft drinks are more prone to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Although studies don't definitively establish the drinks as the cause, if you've been contemplating cutting back on sodas, this provides a compelling reason to reconsider your beverage choices. Number 10. Herbal supplements. Even if labeled as natural, some herbal supplements may not be suitable for everyone. For example, individuals may take an herb like kava for menopause symptoms or relaxation, but studies reveal its potential to interfere with proper liver function, leading to hepatitis and liver failure. While some countries have restricted or banned this herb, it remains available in the US. Number 9. Acetaminophen. Whether for a sore back, headache, or cold, using a pain reliever is common. However, it's crucial to take the correct dosage. Accidentally exceeding the recommended amount of acetaminophen, found in various medications, can harm your liver. Verify the dose and daily limit, sticking to these guidelines to ensure your liver's well-being. Number 8. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in certain packaged foods and baked goods, often listed as partially hydrogenated ingredients, are artificially created fats. A diet rich in trans fats increases the likelihood of weight gain, which is detrimental to your liver. When checking the ingredients list, beware that even if it claims 0 grams of trans fat, there may still be a small amount present, and these quantities accumulate over time. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. Number 7. Extra pounds. Accumulated fat in your liver cells due to excess weight can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This can result in liver swelling, progressing over time to the hardening and scarring of liver tissue, known as cirrhosis. Individuals who are overweight or obese, in middle age, or have diabetes are at a higher risk of developing NAFLD. Number 6. Alcohol. While excessive alcohol consumption is known to be harmful to the liver, it's crucial to note that you don't have to be an alcoholic or addicted to alcohol for it to be detrimental. It's easy to underestimate your alcohol intake, as many glasses can hold more than one standard serving, 5 ounces of wine, 12 ounces of regular beer, or 1.5 ounces of liquor. Moderation is key, with recommended limits of 1 drink a day for women and up to 2 per day for men. Number 5. Packaged goods. Packaged snack foods can adversely affect your liver, containing high levels of salt, sugar, and fat. To counter this, consider carrying healthy snacks like nuts, macana, or quinoa puffs to avoid the harmful impact of typical packaged goods. Number 4. Butter. Dairy products, including butter, have been linked to liver issues due to their high saturated fat content. Making the switch to olive oil, which contains omega-3 fatty acids known to mitigate the risk of liver diseases, can be a healthier alternative. Number 3. Milk. Whole milk poses a concern for liver health due to its saturated fat content. To mitigate potential liver damage, consider reducing your consumption of whole milk. Opt for alternatives like low-fat milk, or explore options such as green tea or cinnamon tea, as studies frequently connect green tea intake with a healthier liver. Number 2. Processed meats. Similar to fried foods, processed meats like salami, bacon, and hot dogs are often high in saturated fat. As discussed earlier, prolonged consumption of excess saturated fat can harm the liver. A preliminary study from 2022 in Clinical Nutrition Research indicates that red and processed meats may elevate the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. If you opt for processed meats, consume them in moderation and lean towards lean or very lean varieties whenever possible. Number 1. Soda. The negligible nutritional value of added sugar can lead the liver to convert excess sugar into fat, contributing to fatty liver disease over time. A 2021 study in the Journal of Hepatology highlights the liver fat production increase in healthy, lean men with regular consumption of fructose-sweetened beverages. The 2020 to 2025 dietary guidelines for Americans recommend that no more than 10% of total calories should come from added sugar. Hence, it's crucial to judiciously decide how to incorporate added sugar into your diet. Maintaining a healthy diet, inclusive of vibrant fruits and vegetables, high-fiber whole grains, healthy fats, lean protein sources, and calcium-rich dairy or alternatives, optimizes the functioning of your liver and the rest of your body. If you consume alcohol, do so moderately and limit your intake of fried foods, processed meats, and added sugar. Can't you sleep at night because of your pillow? Here is adjustable sandwich pillow to support your neck, back, and spine. Enjoy a perfect sleep. You can have it too. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.